Advantages and disadvantages of PVC kitchen cabinets. Dear friends, PVC kitchens are entering many households due to their low cost and durability. Your usage and budget determine whether or not you should go with a PVC kitchen. Let us analyze the pros and cons of the material to understand the material further so that you can make a choice. Advantages of PVC kitchen cabinets. PVC kitchen cabinets are non-toxic and have a smooth, high-gloss surface. The high-gloss synthetic material has a mirror-like surface that is long-lasting. Because PVC kitchen cabinets are shatter-resistant, they will not readily break or chip. Because it is a rigid material, it can survive the wear and tear prevalent in kitchens. PVC is not prone to scratching. It is moisture-resistant and can tolerate prolonged exposure to UV rays. PVC kitchen cabinets are popular in high-end kitchens. Disadvantages of PVC kitchen cabinets. PVC kitchen cabinets are not durable since they can droop if used over an extended period. Many bugs and insects may inhabit hollow boards, making them unsanitary. If you try to change the fixture, it may distort. PVC kitchen cabinets are prone to damage. Utilize plastic-compatible hardware and hinges to reduce deformities. You cannot cover the repairs on PVC cupboard colors. PVC kitchen cabinets do not come in an extensive range of PVC cupboard colors. They also discolor after a few years. It is not fire-resistant. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.